Guys, now we're gonna be unboxing some fidget spinners that my mom bought for me to make this video right now.
Alright, so start it off.
First one is this one right here. Pretty cool. Now let's unbox it.
So this one actually has beads, and they actually move. You can hear it. They move a little bit. It's actually pretty cool. Doesn't go as fast as the other ones, huh? What do you think about it?
I think it's pretty cool.
It's pretty cool. I mean, I'm pretty sure that if it didn't have the beads, it wouldn't go as fast.
Next one. So let's
Alright, so that was the kind of a triangle shaped one with the beads inside. So, alright, that was the first one. Alright, Robert, take it away. Which one do you want to do next?
So we already unboxed this one, but it's pretty cool.
No, we haven't.
I want that one. No, we just unboxed this one. And this one is pretty cool.
So that one was probably the priciest one, just because I think it's like full metal.
No, it's heavy metal.
That too. It's pretty heavy.
I want to sit down here.
How does it feel?
Feels pretty heavy and light to me.
Heavy and light? How does that work?
Like,
so is it heavy or is it light?
it's like both. Like, it's heavy, but I could carry it. It's...
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
Oh my God.
So yeah, guys, like out of this one, I think this one's like my favorite one.
That's not.
So far.
That's not my favorite one so far.
This one's actually pretty cool because look, you can like take it off. I'll demonstrate. So it's actually pretty cool. I'm pretty sure that without one of them it wouldn't work the same, but like Robert said, it's pretty heavy, but I gotta say it's probably one of the smoothest like spinners. It's awesome. It's heavy to the, touch, but well worth the money because, like I said, I know this is only the second one, but it's probably one of my favorites by far.
So the third one is gonna be this one right here.
Okay. You don't want to do the colorful one?
Not yet.
Oh, okay.
So look at this,
Okay,
guys.
this one.
Right here.
So that one initially was bought because we thought it was pretty big, but it's actually pretty small.
Yeah.
But as of the turning, it's actually pretty cool. I think because it's so small, it spins like faster than I think. But still pretty cool. And it's like matte black too, so.
Mommy, this is heavy.
It's pretty cool.
It's heavy. So moving on.
Alright, so small one, matte black, spins pretty well, very lightweight. Pretty cool color. So that was one of the first ones we got. Alright, so fourth one.
So the fourth one is this one. Pretty cool.
We got that one because of the shape.
And the colors.
We thought the shape was actually pretty cool.
So this is how it looks like when it's not spinning, and it looks pretty cool when it's spinning. So, I think this is pretty light.
It's pretty light and it looks like it's, I don't know if it's because it's so big, but it actually feels like it's spinning really fast.
Yeah.
Even though it might not be.
So this is like not my favorite one. Yeah.
I think it's mainly because of the colors. I think that if it were like black or something, he would like it a lot better. But my main reason to get it is for variety. I really like the shape of it. It's kind of like very geometrical. And like he said, it is really light. Like you could put this in your pocket and just have something to play with. It's pretty cool. I like it.
Moving
All right.
on to
And for the last and final one,
last but not least, is this one. We have to unbox it. You guys are gonna love this one. Look at this one. It is so cool. Look, guys.
it's actually pretty shiny.
I like this shiny. It looks like a disc when it's spinning.
Oh yeah, it kind of does. Because of the color, I think.
Yeah.
So again, we were going for variety. As you could tell, we got, you know, kind of rainbow colored one. And then we got like a chrome looking one. I haven't even tried this one.
Hot lip. This is the case that
actually
we
pretty
came
cool.
with.
This is the top.
Now let's do a spin
It's
time.
nice and fancy.
Let's do a spin
Then we
time.
got that solid, what seems to be metal one. Solid
Yeah,
metal.
metal.
So solid metal.
I want that one. I want this one. I want that one.
I'm gonna take you guys, so
Rainbow, and then
I'm
we
gonna
got
let
that
you see when
triangle.
it's
triangle, and then shape and size variety, tiny one. So you could tell the difference in size, and you know.
It's for now.
All right, so let's bring them all and show them to. So
Let's do a spin time on the table.
yeah, we should, huh? All right, let's see.
Everyone that does that. Everyone
So
does that
small
one.
little one, rainbow.
This one doesn't work on the table.
It should.
It doesn't really. It stopped very quickly.
Oh, it's probably too heavy.
So look at those.
Still pretty cool, huh, guys?
The,
The black one.
my favorite is this one right here.
Oh yeah.
My favorite. My favorite.
All right, guys. So that was Robert testing out his first 5 fidget spinners for his unique vlog. So say bye, Robert.
Bye, guys.
Hope you liked his video. You know,
Please don't forget to like and subscribe.